Life of a border setting in the city. So, dapat na alis katol ko sa mga sa karon ng grocery ta. So, we are here at Super Metro in Lapu-Lapu City. So, ako paliton first is kanang wala naming chorizo. So, murag na nakita ko chorizo ko nakita. Oh, that's chorizo na. That's for 225. Since this is spicy, this is 231.
Wow.
So, ako lang yung balik ko guys ha.
Kamu guys, ano yung gibalit?
Luto-luto ta dito.
So, nagplano dahil may kuan guys.
Everyone, so wala akong paliton. So, that's coming. Staycation in Olanggo.
Ansa man ato ang kuanon? Dadon.
So,
Everything?
yes, ang papilyo ng birthday boy and birthday girl.
Okay.
Si Cherry Jane. O ang birthday boy. Sila may bayad.
Kay Anzon, sa mong dadon. Cheese, okay. Maura cheese sa mong dadon? So cheap.
Oh, this is
No, let's buy salami na lang. Salami. I'll buy salami.
oh, sa Vega over 400.
So, karon guys, mapalit ko gusto sa akong hugas. Ako ipalsa ni Rabi. Rabi, ha?
Uy, mga ilim lang ka niya. What?
Kamu ba?
Mura orange.
Oh, nagdaog kuan, pushcart. Daghan kayo mag Where's your pushcart, miss?
It's there. You know, I have my assistant.
Oh, where's your assistant then?
I don't know, but najud ko yung assistant guys. Mawar ko siya magdasa akong grocery na napilian.
Okay.
And ako siya ipadasa mong condo unit. Wala na eh. Nana ng mga guys.
What's that?
Beer fruits. I mean, yung beer fruits, guys. Do you want refreshing?
Ma-refresh gina yung bulsa gina.
Pamoy ang bakit.
Ugoy, mo siya patasan eh. Bitaw guys, maglambot ko ka ng mga tao. Bitaw nga, kakilingi po na niya kung uya ba yun niya babe.
Uy, asa na taniyo, uy.
Uwing, arihan.
Ano siyang
Jollibee na din spicy.
mag-vlog
Hi
yun ko.
everyone. Ipalayo ba ko di
Ah.
karon na mauli namin sa usa ka organization sa Cebu na amo ang napili para matagaan suwak.
Yeah. Kaya itong nakay 5 minutes bitaw to get everything.
Di kinahanglan mo.
Asa man? Sabi to mo, bitaw na yung
Vlogger mo. Video ka vlogger ako pa si Mark.
Mm.
Hi miss. Introduce your name.
Hi everyone, my name is Maras Cañete.
So, mugo ba ka sa challenge na kuhaon mo tanan ni mo gusto in 5 seconds. Okay, go. 5 seconds na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enough na.
Enough na, okay. Wow.
Oras mo na powder.
Okay, now let's go to the counter.
Okay, counter na. Counter clock.
Okay, counter.
Counter. Ito na. Hali guys, pa-counter. Ito gusto nyo. Counter clock guys. Counter.
So karon guys, no, nagpaabot ni Enzo because nagpa-counter siya sa mong gipalit na product.
How about this, ma'am? Dili ni mo siya pa-counter?
Oh my god, later because napa ko contact like nagchat-chat ni Ron for I think this is for research. Someone is nagpa-answer siya for their research study. I don't know what this is all about. But yana siya i-forward daw ninyo, Lods. Is it okay if you guys will answer this one? It's a survey, I think.
It's a survey about what? It depends on the topic.
She said here that sa mga nakaadto sa Angasel ports. Ako i-forward sa itong GC ha. And about this one, this is our groceries for our condo unit. So we have here tissues, this liquid
Detergent.
and then the cup noodles, the brown
The what?
noodles. This one, the cup
Noodles.
and then the brown rice because we don't eat that
White rice?
normal rice, the white rice because it has no
Nutrients?
nutrients, yeah,
Ah,
that's what
yeah.
it's called. And then we also have here
Samyang.
no, it's not samyang, it's
What's that?
shinramyun.
Shinramyun. What is that?
It's a noodle soup. I don't know. And
Okay.
then we have here canned goods. There's a Tommy brand sardines, and then
What about that? You bought soju? Oh, wait, that's not soju.
it's a Maria Clara wine.
Okay, Maria
Because
Clara
you know
wine.
we are having fun, like we need this one also.
Okay, can you estimate the total price of this, of everything that you bought?
Okay, I think it will cost around 5K, I think.
Okay, 5K.
Yeah.
Now let's find out. Come on, let's go. Namag to na siya.
Ano ka na lang? Pagkakal pa, ang galing pagkakal. Parang culture. Pagkagawa. Ayaw na ito.
Fun.
Chocolate, ginawang gana.
Cheese, dyan ako.
Ah, so you pair it with bread.
Yeah, because that is how I like it the way I like it.
Bago niya kung bago.
Wow. So how is it?
Ano yun?
Salamat sa
So, what's your favorite
flavor.
ice cream
flavor.
Colors. Depends on my mood. Depends.
Choco. Ano ka siya ba? Ano ba? Keso.
Sunod. Mine also is Casa. So, well,
Mine is Rocky Road, but since Rocky Road is not available, then chocolate.
where's Casa?
Isa pa.
Ako na. Sorry, guys.
Taste test.
Yan mo kumukhaon, no? Yan mo kumukhaon. Yung betting ka, yan yung kumukhaon. Na budget. Recommendable sa mga snacks. We only spent 44 each. 165 ang ice cream. Gayon, 7 ang slice bread.
Yes.
Morning siya kumukhaon sa all day. Nakita aming sponsor, guys. Nabuha kaya guys, di man sa pagpangbash mo, pero magbahog yung bugan ng paddle. Tawa ako rin nakabantay. Hindi mo pangitaas ang bahog. Nara sa paddle.
Bugan. Ano na yung bago? Bukat ka.
Wala kay bugan din. Hindi,
Di makusin mo. Kalait ang... Kalait.
hindi mo kapaliyang inday.
Kala.
Ate, love life.
Na-reveal natin sa ng vlog.
Bahok na bugan. Ayun na siya.